Hey, hi guys. My name is Harshit Khurana. I come from India. I was there in India for past 26 years, and I've come to US to study in UC Davis. I joined here for the MBA program. And why did I join this? Well, I did my BTech from JP University in Solon, and my major was computer science. And after that, I was working with Accenture for 4 years, and then I thought that after getting few projects where I got the chance to lead them, I thought that maybe I should switch my career to management, because I was the only guy who was there in a software company in whole of my family. I belong to a family of entrepreneurs, and so I thought about going into the direction where my parents, where my relatives, everybody had gone into, and I came to UC Davis. Now the question arises, why did I come to UC Davis? Well, if you see all over the world, there are so many countries, so many colleges, and most of them are so good. You'll name about Harvard. You must have read about Harvard, Stanford, and others. But why did I choose UC Davis? Well, it was first of all, it was one of the universities that accepted me. So that was one of the most important thing, because I applied into almost like 10 universities and I got from 4 universities, but I chose UC Davis over all of them, in spite getting of a very good scholarship from one of the university, which I'm not supposed to tell right now. So the thing is, we are here in Davis right now, and Davis is one of the most quietest cities in America, and this is more oriented towards studying. Most of the people over here are somehow related to UC Davis, and this place doesn't want to get changed to the new generation, but it is more linked to the UC Davis campus, and the culture over here is totally protected. Everything is so nice, and everybody lives close to each other, and so we have got a good bonding. And what is required in MBA is making connections, and if you stay very near to each other, you will definitely make so many good connections, and that is what I am here for. Second, this university offered me all those courses that I actually needed in my future that I needed to fulfill my career goals. So that was another thing. Plus, there are tailor-made courses option available over here, so I can jump into any field I want. I can change my courses by the 2 years duration that I have over here. So those are few reasons why I actually came here. Plus the third point, which is one of the most biggest point, is the small class size. Our class size is almost like 48 to 55 members, and which is very small. So we get lots of time to ask any of those issues or doubts that we have with the teachers. And plus the senior year is so helpful, the alumni are so helpful, and the biggest point that I want to discuss about over here is the 1 month orientation that we get. Most of the colleges in the world offer just 3-day orientation, but this college gives us a 30-day orientation period. They work on our verbal skills, they work on our vocab skills, they work on improvisation skills, they work on our written skills, and so many of them within those 30 days that it is in itself a course, and it can help all the international students become what I am standing here right now after 40 days in America. So I think if you are looking for some good thing and you are worried whether you will be able to adjust in the new environment or not, and you are from some other country apart from America, I would suggest that you go to UC Davis. Thank you.
And do you have any scholarships?
I'm not supposed to tell that, but yeah, we do UC Davis do give scholarships to mostly 90% of the students that come into UC Davis. So yeah.
And do you have any internships?
Internships are like, we do not get internships on the very first month of the year, so it is a gradual process. The teachers over here are working upon us. That usually comes by 3-4 months later, during November and December, and that is the time when internships start coming out, the positions start opening, and we get links to apply for those internships.
And final suggestion for the new applicants?
Do your GMAT and get a good score, stay confident, give your interview, come into UC Davis.
Thank you.